Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super simple border or edging. So let's get started. I'm going to insert my hook into any stitch on the foundation that you're going to work the border on. And I'm just going to attach that. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet until I get to the corner, and then I'll show you what to do at the corner. So you would single crochet all the way around the piece that you're working on. So we're going to single crochet all the way around the project that you're working on. If it's a blanket, you're going to work on all four sides. And then at the end of the row, you would slip stitch to join in the first stitch. Okay, I worked right up to the corner. There's my corner stitch. In that stitch, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then just continue to make a single crochet in each stitch. Okay, I worked to the end of my row. If you're working on a scarf, you just work back and forth across the end of the scarf. If you're working on a blanket, you would slip stitch to join in the first stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space. Turn the work. That will take the place of the first double crochet. Skip the next stitch. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet. I'm going to go right up to the corner and then I'll show you what to do in the corner. Okay, I've worked up to the corner and there's my corner stitch. So I'm going to work a double crochet in that corner stitch and a chain 1. And another double crochet like that, and then just continue down the other side. Chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet, and you're going to continue that all the way around. If you're working on a square project, at the end of the row you'll slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. Okay, I worked to the end of my row, so now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the double crochet, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the double crochet. And you'll repeat that all the way around. I'm going to go to the corner and then I'll show you what to do when I reach a corner. Okay, I've reached my corner right here. So I'm going to make 3 single crochet in that stitch. And then just continue working a single crochet in the double crochet, single crochet in the chain 1 space. If you're working on a square project, at the end of the row, you will slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Okay, I worked all the way down the row, and you could just use this as a border just all by itself, but now I'm going to add the bobble edge. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and that takes the place of the first single crochet. So I'm going to start here, so single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. So that'll be the equivalent of 4. Now I'll make a bobble, so I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to make a bobble in this stitch, the second stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. We're going to do that 2 more times. So this is 1. And the last one, yarn around the hook, insert it into that stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4 loops on the hook, and then go right back down to that stitch and slip stitch. And that's going to close up your bobble. And then single crochet in 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're just going to repeat that. Chain 2, just pull through 2, don't complete the double crochet. I'm going to do that 2 more times. And the last one, 4 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4, find that base of the bobble, and slip stitch. Okay, I've reached my corner, and as it turns out, I have 4 stitches here, but if I didn't, you're going to evenly space here, and if you've only got 2 stitches, well, maybe before you get to this one, you could just work into 3 single crochet so that you can evenly wind up in the corner stitch. So single crochet 1, 2, 3, and there's number 4, chain 2, complete the bobble in that stitch, and then just continue to work all the way around. So there's the corner one, and as I say, if you're getting close, you start looking to see if you should leave one less stitch in between the bobbles. And that's how easy it is to make this incredibly simple, yet quite striking, edging or border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.